Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ayesha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I think like one of my favorite videos to film on my channel is makeup mystery unboxings. And guess what I have for you guys today? I'm sure you guys already know by the thumbnail. I have two I'm going to be showing you guys today on my channel of makeup mystery unboxings. This is the Made by Mmmitchell. He calls it the What's in My Maxi case and What's in My Mini case. He doesn't call it mystery boxes, but it's still like a mystery because you don't know what's inside of these bad boys. So this one I'm gonna assume is the mini case here, which looks like so. And then I ordered the maxi case because of course I can't just get one mystery box. I gotta get like both of them. Look how this thing is massive, massive. When I do my gigs, like my side gigs, I actually do bring my makeup in like a traveling case like so. But this is, I compared it to the one I had. This is definitely a lot more bigger, which can hold more stuff. So that's always a good thing. So if you guys want to know what I got in these two mystery boxes from Made by Mmmitchell, then I would say, you know what I'm going to say, guys. Keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so before we get into my unboxing today on my channel, as always I want to introduce myself to anyone new to your girl's channel. So welcome, my name is Ayesha. I do lots and lots of unboxings on this channel. I've done at least, I don't know, maybe 50 makeup mystery unboxings on my channel from various makeup brands. I will link that playlist down below if you're curious to see some other makeup mystery unboxings that I've done from all like name brand makeup companies. So feel free to watch that. I do makeup hauls. I do anything makeup related, makeup mystery unboxing. Sorry, I can't talk because I'm so excited to open this up. But anything beauty content related, you're going to get on this channel. So if you love watching unboxings and seeing new makeup, seeing what's in with makeup, then I would say subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. It'll be greatly appreciated. And as always, if you really like my content, just give me a little thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Alright, so first I'm going to tell you a little bit about who Made by Mmmitchell is, because he's not as popular as like I want, in my opinion, like Huda Beauty or stuff that's like in Sephora, Ulta. People know those brands well because it's like in stores. Made by Mmmitchell is not in stores. So how I know of him is because I remember a while back he was on one of Jeffree Star's videos that he had posted. He had did his makeup. I think he calls himself Mmmitchell, but I think he's very talented. He does amazing work. So I can definitely get why Jeffree Star had him come on his channel and do his makeup. He did an amazing job. I do follow him on his Instagram, and he does the most amazing looks, and he's very universal. That I love that he can do makeup from lighter skin tones to darker skin tones. I feel like some makeup brands, you only see like one skin type on their channel or their platform, but he always does, like, he shows you that his makeup line, you can use it for all skin tones, and the stuff is so pigmented. It's so great. I always want to try his products, but his stuff is in the UK. So speaking, it's costly to ship this stuff over here. So I've never really bought anything from his brand because just buying one or two things doesn't seem like it's going to be worth it once I pay for the shipping and handling. Speaking of that, your girl paid $45.92 for shipping to get this from the UK. So the shipping was not cheap. It says $45.92 euro. I'm not sure what that equivalates to, what it would cost in the United States, but I would anticipate it's a lot more because I know, like, I've traveled to Europe, and when I did like my money exchanging to get like some money for wherever I'm at, I actually lost money. Like if I had $100, I got $100. For England, I got less. So if anybody knows like the price difference, let me know down below. But it says that I paid $165 euro total, and I wrote it down so I wouldn't forget. But it says I got the maxi case and I got the mini case. I don't know if it's gonna show. Does it show on camera? Because it shows a little bit. I had to write it out for myself so I didn't forget. But whenever I show anything white on camera, it never shows, I guess, because of like the white lights and stuff. But I'm very excited to see what I got. Like I said, I always want to try his products, but it's coming all the way from the UK. So this definitely put a dent in your girl's pocket with the shipping and handling. But now I get to try a whole bunch of stuff because I haven't tried anything. And I like makeup subscription on boxes where I haven't tried a lot from the brand. So let me give you just a little bit more detail about the cases. So it says the mini case is $40 euro, but it's equivalent to $100 euro. And then we have the maxi case. This thing is heavy because all the makeup's in here. This is $80 euro, and it's a $200 euro value. When I got the box, it was in a cardboard box, just a regular standard cardboard box. I opened it up and it was just this in the box. So I'm like, oh no, did they not like give me both boxes? And then I think they put everything all in one, because this was inside of here, and this one I'm gonna assume was the mini one, and this one's the maxi one. So the only bad thing in any feedback I could give from this is I like when they separate the two, because then you don't know what you really got in your maxi and your maxi mystery box, and you don't know what you got in your mini one, because everything is all thrown together in one. So I like when they do them separately, because now I don't know what I would have got in one, what I would have got in the other one. But that's just my feedback. I do also have another feedback. Although I love this beautiful neon green, I'm here for this neon green, but I mean, it's a makeup traveling thing, so I feel like it's gonna get dirty really fast. If I had a choice, I would have preferred something like all black, because I feel like it won't get as dirty, but I don't know how dirty or quick this may get messy. I haven't used it yet. Another reason why I bought this is because I've been doing a couple of gigs here and there lately, a little bit more than normal, and I guess I packed too much stuff in my thing that's kind of like this, and the ripper, like, it got broken. So I actually needed a new one, so I was like, oh wow, 2 for 1. I'll get a new train case, and I'll have some goodies inside. So I'm super excited to see what's in here, so I'm about to show you guys. But this is, if you got the mini one, this is what it looks like. So let's see here. I'm guessing okay, let me open up both sides for you guys. So I'm not really sure what you're supposed to hold in here, but this is what it looks like. It's just 2 things of that. Maybe I could put lipsticks and glosses in here, maybe. I don't know what I'm gonna use this for, but that's the mini. Just the 2 things. And then let's see what's in the actual case. So when this thing is heavy. When you open it up, it looks like so. So all the makeup that I got is, like I said, already in here. And what I do like about this, which is a big improvement from the other train case I had, it didn't have this clear plastic. So when I would do my gigs, like when I would put it in my car and I'm driving, sometimes the stuff like tilts out, and then you gotta set it back up all over again once you get to the person's home or whatever place you're doing the gig at. So I love that there's a plastic over this, which will be very practical for me. Then I also love, like with my other train case as well, like this was cloth, so like if you had a dirty brush on here, it would totally like get dirty. But I love like this is plasticky, so you can wash this up and clean it up with the makeup wipe. This also is kind of plasticky too, so you could clean this up with the makeup wipe and so it won't get as dirty. So I love this. It makes it very practical. You probably could hold some brushes, some palettes in here. It goes all the way down. See, my hand goes all the way in. So I could probably put some palettes in here. Now, I will say he made this very practical. I think because like he is an artist, so he knows, he improved the train cases that are out now in the industry and made them a little bit better. So I'll give that to him. Like, that's kind of cool about this train case. But let's open it up and see what he gave us. So I opened up the little clear thing here and let's dig in. Alrighty, so the first thing I see here is some type of holder. I don't know what's in here, but it's a nice little holder. M for the Mitchell initial of his name, Mitchell. So it says Mini Mitchell Volume Number 1. It's a neutral matte, pops of blues and vibrant pinks. All you need to keep your feet on the ground and keep your head in the clouds. Press pigment palette. Okay, let's see. I love that his palettes come in a holder though. So if you're traveling, they won't break as much. So you get a mirror here, and then I'll show you what this palette looks like. So these are what the colors look like for this palette. I like the color schemes. The colors are fun and vibrant, just like how I like my palettes to be. So that was in here. Now, hopefully, because I got 2 different types, I won't get 2. Yes, I did. 2 of the same things. But it's okay because I'll keep 1 for my personal self and I'll keep 1 for my gigs, when I do my gigs. I will say I kind of hate like when you do like mystery bundles. Also another feedback. But I know beggars can't be choosers. Let me just make sure this is the same thing. Yep, it is the same thing. I know beggars can be choosers, but I wish that like if they know that people like to buy both of the collections, like buy all the mystery boxes, like people don't want to have 4 or 5 of the palettes. Like I get it that like maybe not everybody could buy the maxi, the big size, so they want it to be in both, but then if you get both, you have 2 of them, and it's not really like practical. But that's just my opinion only. Don't come for me. This is a friendly channel over here. But now I have 2 of the palettes, and I'm guessing his palettes come in these cases. So now I have 2 of them. Now, I'm guessing this is a palette too. I guess all his palettes come in these cases. I guess for protection so they don't break. I'm guessing neon is his favorite color because everything is like neon related. And this is like a big kahuna. It said, I'll read what it says on the back, but this is what the palette looks like. Very cool. Matches the holder. He's the first person I've seen that has like holders for like the palettes. Let's see what this palette looks like. Like I said, I don't have anything from him, so I won't have any repeats of anything. Ooh, this palette looks beautiful. This is what the palette looks like. So let me give you guys a close-up of the palette here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful palette. The colors definitely go in theme with the actual packaging, like the lime green gold type of vibes. So I like that so far. This is a slip over the palette, so in theme with like his name. So it looks like I got 2 beauty blenders here. It looks like one was probably in a mini, one was in a bigger size. But we'll open up one so we could see. Oh, it feels very soft. And it has like an M print on it. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera. Probably not. But it does have like a little M right here, like engraved in it. So I have 2. So another doubles. Then it looks like I got a couple of these blurrish colors here. So I got 4 of them, and one of them looks like a repeat. So let's see here. These are cream, I think these are blushes. Yes, it says liquid blushers. I have an extra one of the brown one, which I have to see if I really like it, then I can put the other one in my kit. But these are the 3 shades that I have here. Look at these 3 shades. I probably would use a brown more like a contour though, because I can't see me using a brown as a blush or blush for anyone. So that's interesting. I always see him using these on his Instagram, so now I get to try them out. Then I got 2 of his liquid liners in matte. So I have a green one and a purple one. So these are the 2 colors. One is like a pastel. It says Graph Ink. And the lime one's called Walk in Lime. And the lilac color is called Lilac. So those are the 2 colors I got. Then it looks like I got 2 brushes here. So this looks like it's like a blush brush. And this one looks like it's a eyeshadow brush. And they have like the M on it for the initial of his name. So that's what they look like. So how he explained it, it's like the price of the train case is the price, and then it's like you're getting the additional stuff inside for free. So that's how he explained it when I watched like his Insta story. He was like, oh, it's such a good deal. If you were gonna buy the train case anyway, it's like you're getting all the products inside for free. But I'm excited. I'm excited to try some of his stuff. Like I said, I haven't tried anything because it's coming from the UK. I live in the United States, so like unless it's something that's like I really want, I try not to buy outside of the United States because it gets expensive. So what did you guys think about this mystery box, or what does he call it? His terminology is called what's in the maxi case. That's his way of having his mystery boxes. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Would you buy something like this? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.